G'day guys, welcome to Castane's vlog. I'm here at Flemington. Here go the water exit, bound for City Circle by Central. Flemington station's so busy. So the train is gonna stay here for a bit longer. Not walking train at the bottom down for a City Circle line. Set is A4. The next stop is Flemington. Then all stations to the city.
Station coming. Please put your right.
Here go the Flemington train arriving. Set is 8:20.
For safety, please take extreme care. Surfaces may be slippery when wet.
Oh, the train's gonna stay here for another while again. Oh, it's now departing. Water now departing bound for Flemington via Granville. Next stop will be Lidcombe, Auburn, Clyde, Granville, Maryland, Guildford, Eunora, Canberra, Cabramatta, Wakeford, Eunora, Cassandra, Lakeville, Edmondson Park, and Flemington.
Good afternoon, customer on platform 2. There's no trains on that platform. Please can you make your way to platform 3 and 4? Thank you.
Here go the water arriving bound for Central. Here go the water arriving bound for City Circle.
The train on platform 3 goes to City Circle via Town Hall. First stop Homebush, then Strathfield, Burwood, then all stations to Redfern, then Central, Town Hall, Vineyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum.
Now water is now departing bound for City Circle.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
The next train to arrive on platform 3.
He got a B surrounding the set is B27.
The train on platform 4 goes to Flemington via Granville. First stop Lincoln, then Auburn, Granville, then all stations to Liverpool, then Zurich, Glenfield, Edmondson Park, and Flemington.
Flemington's a bit busy, I guess.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Now B6 now departing bound for Flemington by Granville. That's it
The
for
next
today. I'm
train
going to
to
wrap up the vlog
arrive
and
on
bye for now.
platform 4 does not stop at this platform.